Good morning, children. This video is for class 3, term 3, chapter number 2. And the name of the chapter is Money. This is our lecture number 4. Today's topics are subtraction sums of money and word problem sums of money. So let's start. Now beta, we will do one example of subtraction of money which is given on page number 19 in your book. It is given subtract rupees 81.77 from rupees 100.18. Okay, so I'm going to tell you stepwise how you have to solve the subtraction sum. So here it is given, we have that 81.77 from rupees 100.18. So here the bigger amount is 100.18 and the smaller amount is 81.77. Okay, so we have to first write this number 100.18 and after that we will subtract 81.77 from it. Okay, so step 1 is arrange the rupees and paise columns respectively. So first of all we will write here rupees and paise. Now 100.18 we will write and after that 81.77 we will write. Okay, now we will put subtraction sign. Now step number 2, that is subtract the amount in the paise column first. Okay, so first of all we will solve with this paise column. So here it is given 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1, and 1 minus 7, that is not possible, so here we need to take borrow. So this 1 will take borrow from 0, but it doesn't have anything. So first of all the leftmost 0 will take borrow. So this 0 will become 10 and this 1 will become 0. Now this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay, now this 1 will take borrow and it will become 11 and this 10 will become 9 here. Okay, now we have to subtract. So 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. Okay, so now we have solved our paise column. Okay, now the step number 3 is then subtract the amount in the rupees column. Okay, so here 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1, and 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. So what is the answer? That is 18 rupees 41 paise. So we will write the answer. The difference is 18.41 rupees, 18.41. Beta, the answer of subtraction sum is called a difference. So here we write the difference is rupees 18.41. Understood? Now exercise 2C of page number 19. Question number 2. Find the difference between, here it is given in A part, rupees 75.80 and rupees 29.21. So first of all we will arrange rupees and paise column. Okay, then we will write the bigger amount, that is 75.80 here, and after that we will write 29.21. Now we have to subtract, so we will put subtraction sign. So first of all we will solve paise column. Then 0 minus 1, that is not possible. So here the 0 will take borrow and it will become 10. And this 8 will become 8 minus 1, 7. Now 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Now 5 minus 9, that is not possible. So this 5 will become 5 plus 10, 15. And this 7 will become 7 minus 1, 6. Now 15 minus 9, that is equal to 6. And 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So what is the answer? That is 46 rupees 59 paise. So how we can write it? Like rupees 46.59. Okay. Now in B part. Here it is given rupees 19.82 and rupees 9.17. First of all we will write rupees and paise. Then the bigger amount is 19.82 and the smaller amount is 9.17. So here 9 is single digit number, that's why we can write it like this, 09. Okay, and 17 paise. Now we have to put subtraction sign. So let's start from our right hand side. 2 minus 7, that is not possible. So here this 2 will take borrow and it will become 12. And this 8 will become 8 minus 1, 7. So 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. And 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. 9 minus 9, that is equal to 0. And 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? That is rupees 10.65 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 10.65. Okay. Now in C part, rupees 205.65 and rupees 112.52. So here we will write rupees and paise column. Then we will arrange. So bigger amount is 205.65 and the smaller amount is 112.52. Now we have to put subtraction sign. So first of all, we will solve from our right hand side. So 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. 0 minus 1, that is not possible. So here this 0 will take borrow and it will become 10. And this 2 will become 1. 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. And 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So what is the answer? That is 93 rupees 13 paise, or we can write like this, rupees 93.13. Okay. Now in D part, it is given rupees 355.13 and rupees 15.95. So first of all, we will arrange it in rupees and paise column. So the bigger amount is 355.13. So first of all, we will write that number. Okay. And after that, 15.95 we will write here. Okay. Because 15 is 2-digit number. That's why we can write it like this, 015. Okay. 0, 15 and 95 paise. Now we have to put subtraction sign. So let's start from our right hand side. 3 minus 5. That is not possible. So here this 3 will take borrow from this 1 and it will become 13. And this 1 will become 0. Now 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. And 0 minus 9, that is not possible. So here this 0 will take borrow from this 5 and it will become 10. And this 5 will become 4. Now 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1. 4 minus 5, that is not possible. So this 4 will take borrow and it will become 14. And this 5 will take borrow. Oh, sorry. This 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. And 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 minus 0, 3. So what is the answer? That is 339 rupees 18 paise. Or we can write like this, rupees 339.18. Now question number 3, subtract. In A part it is given rupees 407 from rupees 823.77. So in these type of questions, when from is given to us, then we have to write the amount that is given after from, because that is the bigger amount. Always remember, in subtraction you have to write the bigger amount first and after that you have to write the smaller amount. So we will arrange it in rupees and paise column. First of all, we will write 823 and 77 paise. After that, we will write 407 rupees. So here paises are 0. Now we will put minus sign. So we will solve a paise column. 7 minus 0, that is equal to 7. Again 7 minus 0, that is equal to 7. 3 minus 7, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow and this 3 will become 13. And this 2 will become 1. Now 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6. And 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. So what is the answer? That is 416 rupees 77 paise. Answer is rupees 416.77. Now in B part, rupees 203.22 from rupees 300.10. So first of all, we will arrange it in rupees and paise column. So here the bigger amount is 300.10, which is given after from. जो from के बाद दिया होता है बेटा, वो नंबर हमेशा बड़ा होता है, क्योंकि हमें इसमें से हमें इस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ठीक है. So we will write here 300 rupees and 10 paise. Then we will write 203 rupees and 22 paise. Now we have to put subtraction sign. So we will start from our right hand side. So here 0 minus 2, that is not possible. So this 0 will take borrow and it will become 10. And this 1 will become 0. Now 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. Now this 0 will take borrow from this, but it doesn't have anything. So first of all, the leftmost 0 will take borrow and it will become 10. Okay, and this 3 will become 2. Now this 0 will take borrow and it will become 10, and this 10 will become 9. Now this 0 will take borrow and it will become 10, and this 10 will become 9. तो आपने क्या देखा बेटा, अगर बीच में 0 zeros आ जाती हैं तो अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पर हमारे पास 9 9 आ जाता है, ठीक है। और जो लास्ट हमें गिवन नंबर होता है वो हमारा एक नंबर माइनस कर देते हैं हम उसमें से। So now 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 0 is 9, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the answer? That is 96 rupees 88 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 96.88. Okay. Now you have to do C and D part in your homework. Now beta, the question given on page number 19 based on my values. So here it is given. In question number 1, Deepika had rupees 2000. She bought ready-made garments for rupees 978.50, medicines for rupees 210.25, groceries for rupees 530.25, and donated rupees 200 for charity. How much money is left with her? And what value do you learn from Deepika? तो यहाँ पे बेटा हमें दिया हुआ है कि जो दीपिका है उसके पास 2000 रुपीज थे, उसने रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स पे कुछ मनी स्पेंड की, कुछ मेडिसिन पे, कुछ ग्रोसरीज पे, और कुछ उसने डोनेट कर दिया यानी दान कर दिया। नाउ वी हैव टू टेल दैट हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विद हर एंड व्हाट वैल्यू डू यू लर्न फ्रॉम दीपिका, कि हमने कौन सी वैल्यू लर्न की दीपिका से। सो हियर we have three questions. So first of all we need to find out the total money which she has spent, कि उसने कितना amount spent किया. So for that we need to add all these. So first of all we will write rupees and paise column. Okay, now we will write money spent on ready-made garments, that is equal to 978.50. Then money spent on medicines, that is 210.25. Then money spent on groceries, that is 530.25, and then we will write that money spent on charity, है ना, जो उसने money दी charity के लिए, that is 200 rupees. Now we have to add. So we can find out that the total money she has spent, that is, we will add it. So let's start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over in rupees column. Now 1 plus 8, 9. So here we will write 9. Now 7 plus 1, that is 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So here 11 is 2-digit answer, that's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, and 17 plus 2, 19. So here we will write 19. So what is the answer? That is 1919 rupees. तो उसने यहाँ पर बेटा 1919 रुपीज जो है वो स्पेंड किए मनी इस टोटल, ठीक है। कितना खर्चा किया उसने? 1919, और उसके पास कितने रुपीज थे? Deepika had rupees 2000. Now we have to find out the money that is left with her. So for that we need to subtract 1919 rupees from rupees 2000. Okay, that is, again we need to write the total money Deepika had, that is equal to rupees 2000. Okay, and money spent by her, that is rupees 1919. Now we have to subtract. Okay, so now we can find out the money left with her. So let's start from our right hand side. So here you can see 0 is given. So 0 will take borrow. Again 0 is there. Again 0 is there. So that first of all, the leftmost 0 will take borrow. Okay, and this 0 will become 10. And this 2 will become 1. Okay, now this 10 will take borrow. 10 will give borrow to this 0, and this 0 will become 10, and this 10 will become 9. Again this 0 will take borrow and it will become 10, and this 10 will become 9. Now we have to solve. So 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1, and 9 minus 1 that is equal to 8. 9 minus 9, 0, and 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so what is the answer? That is rupees 81. Money is left with her, that is rupees 81. So now the next question, that is what value do you learn from Deepika? That is, beta, we should donate some part of our income for charity. है ना? We should donate some part of our income for charity and we should save some amount for us. हमें अपने लिए भी कुछ बचा के रखना चाहिए और हमें जो है charity भी देनी चाहिए. Okay. Now, beta, we will do word problem sums given on page number 20. First of all, we will do two examples of it. So here in example number 1, it is given Rajesh bought a shirt for rupees 250, a trousers for rupees 450, a tie for rupees 290 and socks for rupees 43.50. How much money did he spend in all? So to need to find out the total money he spent, we need to add the amounts. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will write here rupees and paise columns. Now the cost of a shirt is equal to rupees 250. So here we will write 250 below rupees column and 00 below paise column. Now cost of trousers, that is equal to rupees 450. Okay, and cost of tie is equal to rupees 290. So here we will write. Now cost of socks. So here we will write cost of socks, that is equal to rupees 43.50 paise. Okay, now we have to add. Okay, and he spent money in all, that is equal to the total. So we will start from our right hand side, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. So here we will write 3 and 2 will be carryover. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. And 10 plus 0, 10. So here we will write 10. So what is the answer? That is 1033 rupees 50 paise. So how we can write it? Like this, rupees 1033.50. Example number 2. It is given Geeta had rupees 796.85 with her. She gave rupees 205 to her friend. How much money is left with her? So for that, to find out the leftover part of money, we needed to subtract the given amount. So we will solve it. First of all, we will write rupees and paise column. Okay. Now Geeta had amount, that is equal to 796 and 85 paise. Okay. And she gave to her friend, amount she gave to her friend, that is equal to rupees 205. Okay. That we need to subtract the numbers. So money left with her, that is equal to, now we have to find out. So we will solve it from our right hand side. So here 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. So what is the leftover money with her? That is 591 rupees 85 paise. Or we can write it like this. Geeta is left with money rupees 591.85. Okay. Now exercise 2D word problem sums. Question number 1. It is given Sonal got rupees 200 from her grandmother, rupees 350 from her uncle and rupees 155 from her mother on her birthday. How much money did she get altogether? So to find out the total money, we need to add the given amount. So first of all, we will write here money got from grandmother, that is equal to rupees 200, because paise is not there, beta. So we don't need to write rupees and paise separately. Okay. Now money got from her uncle, that is equal to rupees 350, and money got from her mother, that is equal to rupees 155. Now we have to add. So she got money altogether, that is equal to rupees 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5, and 0 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is rupees 705. So she got money altogether is equal to rupees 705. So we will write here answer rupees 705. Now question number 2. Mrs. Roy bought a bag of rice worth rupees 275.50. She gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. Find the amount returned to her by the shopkeeper. एक बेटा मिसेस रॉय ने एक बैग खरीदा राइस का जिसका कॉस्ट थी कितनी 275 रुपीज 50 पैसे एंड शी गेव रुपीज 500 टू द शॉपकीपर. उसने शॉपकीपर को 500 रुपी का नोट दिया. फाइंड द अमाउंट रिटर्न्ड टू हर बाय द शॉपकीपर. तो शॉपकीपर ने उसे कितना अमाउंट रिटर्न किया. सो टू फाइंड आउट द रिटर्न मनी वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द given amount. So here we will write rupees and paise first of all. Then Mrs. Roy gave money to the shopkeeper, that is equal to 500. Okay. And worth of bag. She bought a bag of worth rupees 275 and 50 paise. Now the amount returned to her by the shopkeeper, that is equal to, we need to subtract the numbers from our right hand side. So 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. 0 minus 5, that is not possible. So here beta, all here zeros are given. So the leftmost 0 will take borrow first of all and it will become 10 and this 5 will become 4. Now this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Again we need to take borrow here for this 0, that is equal to 10 now, and this 10 will become 9. So 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. 9 minus 7, that is equal to 2. And 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So what is the answer? That is 224 rupees 50 paise. Rupees 224.50. Now beta, I am giving you. Now beta, today's homework. Do sums of subtraction of exercise 2C. Question number 3, parts C and D. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन 3 का हमने A और B पार्ट क्लास वर्क में किया है. C एंड D पार्ट आपने होमवर्क में करना है. ओके. एंड एक्सरसाइज 2D, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4. Okay, in your notebook. Now beta, I am going to show you the homework sums which you have to do in your homework. Exercise 2C, question number 3, given on page number 19 in your book. C part, subtract rupees 782.35 from rupees 999.06. So here you need to write the amount that is given after from, which is bigger amount, that is 999.06, and then you have to subtract 782.35 from it. Now in D part, subtract rupees 100.65 from rupees 500. So again you have to write the amount that is given after from. Now exercise 2D, question number 3 and question number 4, which is given on page number 20. In question number 3 it is given, while going to his village, Puran spent rupees 60.50 as a railway fare, rupees 27.20 as bus fare, and rupees 5.25 as rickshaw fare. How much fare did he pay altogether to reach his village? Okay? So you need to find out the total fare. Okay. Now question number 4. It is given, Mr. Verma has rupees 1000 in his bank. He withdraws rupees 722.85. What is the balance left in his account now? So here in this question you have to find out the leftover part. Okay, so for that you need to subtract the amounts. Do given sums in the notebook. Now homework solution of lecture number 3. So I had given you sums. So exercise 2B, question number 3, addition, page number 80. C part. Rupees 102.30 plus rupees 87.79 plus rupees 31. So first of all, we need to write the columns rupees and paise. Then we will write 102.30, then 87.79, and after that rupees 31. Now we have to add. So let's start from our right hand side. So here it is given 0 plus 9 plus 0, that is equal to 9. 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over in rupees. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So here we will write 1 and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. So here we will write 2. So what is the answer? That is 221 rupees 9 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 221.09. Now in D part, it is given rupees 62.32 plus rupees 70 plus 80 paise plus rupees 50.10. So first of all, we need to arrange it in rupees and paise column. So first amount is 62 rupees 32 paise, then 70 rupees. So here we will write 00 in paise column, then 80 paise. So here we will write 80, okay, in paise column, and 00 in rupees column, and then 50 plus 50 rupees 10 paise. Now we have to add. We will start from our right hand side. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 2. 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So here 12 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 2 here and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. So here we will write 3. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So here we will write 18. So what is the answer? That is 183 rupees 22 paise. We can write it like this, rupees 183.2. Now exercise 2C. Subtract the following amounts of money. So here in E part, it is given rupees and paise, 58 rupees 23 paise and 9 rupees 10 paise. Now we have to subtract. Let's start from our right hand side. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 9, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow, and this 8 will become 18. And this 5 will become 4. Now 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So what is the answer? That is 49 rupees 13 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 49.13. Now F part. Again rupees and paise are given, 88 rupees 1 paise and 48 rupees 25 paise. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. So here 1 minus 5, that is not possible, and when 1 will take borrow from 0, it's not possible. So first of all, 0 will take borrow from this 8, and it will become 0 plus 10, 10, and this 8 will become 8 minus 1, 7. Now it can give borrow. So this 1 will become 1 plus 10, 11, and this 10 will become 9. Now 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now 7 minus 8 is not possible. So the 7 will take borrow and it will become 17, and 8 will become 7. So 17 minus 8, that is equal to 9, and 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is 39 rupees 76 paise. So here we will write rupees 39.76. Now in G part, rupees and paise are given. Now we have to subtract the given numbers amounts, that is 649 and 27 paise, and the next is rupees 19. Okay, so we will start from our right hand side. So 7 minus 0 is equal to 7, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 9 minus 9, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, and 6 minus 0, 6. So what is the answer? That is 630 rupees 27 paise. So how we can write? Rupees 630.27. Now in H part, again rupees and paise are given. 210 rupees 8 paise and 115 rupees 12 paise. Now we have to subtract. So let's start. 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. 0 minus 1, that is not possible, so it will take borrow. So the leftmost 0 will take borrow first of all. So this 0 will become 10 and this 1 will become 0. Now this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. So 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. 0 minus 1, again not possible, so we will take borrow. This 0 will become 10 and this 2 will become 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the answer? That is 94 rupees 96 paise. So here we will write rupees 94.96. Okay. Thank you.